everyone. Okay, for a long time because I'm quite busy and I cannot create a video for the one week a new video. Today I back with continue on unit 5 how to create an entry for the page. And this is the post I create for maybe it is 10 September. Now I will create a new video for more explanation, for more understanding. Okay, right, let's go. Okay, remember that before we used to create the three space of two bases. Let's see, for the contact page, you see, and I will go into Smart Edit on the Averell UK site, and we will check out our pages for the contact page. Just wait for a bit. Let's see. Okay, loading a bit. Remove this one. Remove this one. You can see. Oh, now we will select the Averell UK because our impact we run on the Averell UK, so we need to sign. We need to choose the Averell site UK. Okay, and we go into on the stay mode to the page and select to the contact. Okay, this is two pages we create before, and you can create more page based on your custom template. And currently we have two pages here, and I want to link this page into somewhere when the user access into our storefront in our site, and they can see the position to navigate to our page. Yeah, and I decided to add our new page into the footer navigation. You see, this is the new one. You see, this is the new one, and following this post in my site, you can see before from step 1 to step 6. You can create the new navigation entry here for to access into your site, your new page. You see, currently we have the link name contact because I create this one. And today with the new demo video, I will create a new one, new entry under SAP customer experience. Under here you see, I will add under here. Okay, for this page, because you see we have my contact content by test. I add into here. Yeah, I add into here, and now we have the my contact content by test. It have the navigation, so now I will create a different navigation for this page. Let's go. Step 1, find the parent node ID, parent entry. So we need to find the parent node for SAP customer experience. How to find it? Just copy the text from here. Just copy the text and search into our idea. You can use the Intellij or Eclipse, it depends on you. But in in Eclipse, I find down under Abrel UK content catalog, by CMS content end. You can see the text we find down here, and the ID is SAP customer experience navigation node. We just copy this one and we finish in the first step. I copy this and I paste into here to finish step 1. In the step through, let's see, in the step through create a node for the page. So we have the page here, and the page with the ID, we just copy this one, we copy the page ID and we paste into here, and you need to remember this one. And after that we copy this impact, paste into here, and now we need to replace this is the CMS navigation node for our page, and we will rename the UID, because this is UID for this one I created before, so we need to create the different to make it unique. I will set the name to and 2 as well, title 2 as well. Okay, we have done on step 2. Step 2, let's move on into step 3. Add our page node under parent node. The page node, under parent node, you will copy this one. We need to copy this one. Copy this and paste. Sorry, it copy all of page. You just need to copy from here to here. Alright. You see, this is a navigation node for the parent node, so you will get this, the UID for the parent node, and under parent node will list down the children, you see. So how to get the node ID for each children from here? We have the basis SAP and contact us are children of SAP customer experience. So we need to get the ID of each page by search for the navigation node from the WCMS. And after that we paste into the ID of parent, we search. Okay, now currently we have the 3 sites: Abrel UK, Abrel DE, and electronic. So we are working on the Abrel UK. You just select Abrel UK online or stay, that's okay, it doesn't matter. Our purpose is get the children ID. We click, double click on this one, the children. In the administration tab, you will get the ID in here. Just copy it, Ctrl C, and paste into here. Firstly, I will remove all children. Yeah. 1, contact us. Click here and get the ID, of contact us. Okay, now we have the contact us node, and finally we will get this node. Yeah, just copy it and paste into here. Okay. Remember that this CMS navigation node defined for your page is totally new, and now you will use this ID and then append into the parent node in the SAP customer experience node. Next, we will move on into step let's see, step 4, create a CMS link for page. Just copy this one. Firstly, copy this one. Shift and Ctrl C and paste to here. Okay. Now we will define the contact page link. We put any name you want, and URL you can remove this case because currently we don't need the URL for this page. Okay, just modify for easy to you to see. Contact page, now you will use the UID of your page, copy this one. And link name, you can put any link name you want. Now I will put a second here. Okay, now we finish the step 4, create CMS link for page. Step 5, giving an entry for our page node. So just copy this one. Okay, this is step 5. Now given an entry for page, the UI you can put any the value here, but remember it is unique. Okay, second, and navigation node. This node is from where? Here navigation node you got from from the navigation node, CMS navigation node, and just get this one. Yeah, and finally in here item for the CMS link component. This one we just create in step 4. Copy this one and paste here. Okay, now after we finish 5 steps, I will copy on up here, copy into here. Yeah, and run it in HIC. Let's go. Impact import, paste into here. Everything all right. Import it. It's running. I just wait a bit. was successfully just wait a bit. The console log it display successfully, you see. Yeah, it runs successfully. And now we will check whether in this page we have the new content slot. Click on it. We have a new entry, sorry. Alright, successfully. Oh yeah, you see, this is the link name contact tool which we just created before. In the CMS link component, link name contact tool, you see, this is link name contact tool. Okay, finally we got it. We have the new link here, and when we publish this page, you can see this from here. See this one, synchronizing to help us to publish the new update into our online mode. Now you can copy this link and open it in the private mode to test it out. You see, now we have the new link here for the customer. They can access into our new page. Okay, contact page test tool, this one. This is my content by test. Okay, congratulations, subscribe to get the new video from me, get a notification when I publish the new video from my channel. Thank you.